see what the next play is gonna be. But Sophie don't care. She's sawing wood. We're just relaxing. See, we got our TV up there. Just waiting for the Bucks game to come back. And then we have our beautiful waterfall you can hear in the background. Our pool. And then the baby girl, she's with her daddy. Just snoring away. Oh, here we go. Looks like they're gonna kick.